I'm back again, you know what I mean? Naij Hip Hop 101, second lecture. I won't take your time too much, I just want to let you know a few things, you know. If the culture is not Nigerian, it's not Nigerian, you know. So the American culture, the British culture is different from the Nigerian culture. First things first, wetin be culture? What is culture? Culture is the customs and belief, art, way of life, and social organization of a particular country or group. Note the key words here, class. Customs, beliefs, art, way of life, social organization of a particular country or group. And the country we're talking about right now is Nigeria, because that's where we're from. So since we are Nigerians, that means our hip-hop culture must contain elements of Nigerian customs, beliefs, art, and way of life. To cultivate our own hip-hop culture, our Nigerian hip-hop has to contain Nigerian dance steps, the Nigerian language, instruments. You talk about the environment and the Nigerian way of dressing. Definitely we are influenced by some things in the Western culture, but that doesn't mean we discard all of our own. That's the only way we can tell the world straight up where we're from. Because if South Africans didn't do it, they wouldn't have Kwaito. If the Ghanaians didn't do it, they wouldn't have hip life. My brother, you know if you sell snow to Eskimos, you know if you sell sand to desert dwellers. Meaning, you can't do rap the American way better than the American. And if you try, you just be lost, oh boy. You could just enter, you could just be one of those people where they try rap like Oyibo, where they sound like Oyibo. And definitely you'll not be good enough for America, because every baby right now in America is born with a mic, a full album, and a mixtape. If we do it right, if we put a face to Nigerian hip-hop, we can sell the Nigerian hip-hop. And that's the truth, according to the gospel of Nigeria's own Ruggedman, Ruggedy Baba. For now, class,